It's time. We're gonna do this, but first we're going to do our clay bar particle removal process, followed by some alcohol, and then we can start wrapping this door.
There is an incredible video, actually two, on how to remove the inner door panel, and I'll link them into the description. You definitely want to remove this handle and the mirror before you attempt to wrap it. I also will remove the top trim panel, and I'm replacing it with a brand new trim panel. It's definitely worth noting that I've been wrapping this car in a very cold garage because it's cold, and it makes everything so much harder.
It's pretty much done. Let's take a look.
Switch on your chick, that's on bitch code. Catch a trick, fry him up in that Crisco. Fuck the grid, I'ma dip to a flip phone. On the splits, every lick is a shitload. Throw a fit, throw a kiss, I'm in bitch mode. Got some ice on my nip.
How could I forget about the handle? Well, let's go ahead. So I decided to make a little stretchy device using my Harbor Freight toolkit. So I'm going to apply it to the frame here, and I'm going to heat it up to make it nice and malleable, and this will help it form the handle, which I covered so you can't see, and it just made it a wee bit easier. Now, it was still a bitch to do, but it did make it a little bit easier. Let's go ahead and reinstall it. I should have cut these holes open that I had covered with the vinyl wrap, but I was too lazy to walk over and get my razor blade, so I decided to just ram it through. Never really a good idea. But at the end of the job, I start making really poor decisions. It always feels like my hand is being eaten by something when I'm back here. I have no visibility. It's just kind of a scary mystery. Well, there you have it. A little bit of matte black has turned this thing from broke ass to bitchin'. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like or subscribe. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.